Most probably is that you have heard of the word spread in forex exchange. I'm going to try and make you understand what spread is in forex exchange in just 1 minute. In forex trading, brokers quote the bid and ask price for the currency pairs. This is the currency pair. The bid is the price that a trader can sell the base currency, while the ask is the price they can buy the base currency. Spread refers to the difference between the two prices. The difference between the two prices. You know? Yeah. Besides this is how the non-commission brokers, those who do not charge a separate fee on traders transaction, make their own money. The spread is measured in pips. Most currency pairs, the base currency and the quote currency, this is the base and this is the quote currency, have a pip value equal to 0.001. For instance, take the foreign quote. This is the base and this is the quote. So what you do, this one, for you to get spread, you have to this one minus this one, the difference between these and this, that is what we call spread. And this is the spread. This is its spread. This is the spread here. This is spread, which is the difference between this and this, the base and the quotes. So thank you so much. Thank you. Just like and subscribe.